Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making one of my favorite recipes, a delicious garlic butter. Before we get started, drop your guess in the comments if you already knew what kind of butter we were making today. Honestly, I can already imagine the aroma of this garlic butter spread over a juicy steak, grilled chicken, fish, warm bread, or even used in baking. It is so rich, flavorful, and very easy to make. As usual, we're keeping things simple with just 2 ingredients: heavy whipping cream, garlic. Let's start by preparing the garlic. Here I'm peeling the garlic cloves. Once that was done, I added them to some vegetable oil and cooked them gently on the stovetop. I started by pouring the heavy whipping cream into a bowl. Then I began whisking gently. Making butter is always so exciting and satisfying to watch. At first, it may seem like nothing is happening, but trust the process. It does take a little while, so be patient and keep whisking. Gradually, you'll notice the cream becoming thicker, and before long, it will start separating into butter and buttermilk. This is the exciting part, and seeing the transformation happen right before your eyes is always worth the effort. As I continued whisking, the cream gradually became thicker, just like whipped cream. You will also notice the color changing from bright white to a slightly yellowish shade. This is a sign that the butter is gradually coming together. If you'd like a more detailed tutorial on making homemade butter, I already have a video on the channel showing the entire process, so be sure to check that out as well. Now, look at this. The butter has started to separate. Isn't that amazing? After whisking the heavy cream for a while, we now have fresh homemade butter. You can see the butter clinging to the whisk while the liquid left behind is called buttermilk. Don't throw the buttermilk away. You can refrigerate it and use it for pastries, pancakes, biscuits, and many other recipes. The next step is to wash the butter in very cold ice water. This helps remove any remaining buttermilk, makes the butter firmer, and improves its shelf life. Keep washing and pressing the butter until the water runs clear. At this stage, your homemade butter is ready. You can either add a little salt and enjoy it as regular butter, or you can continue with me as we make our delicious garlic butter. To make the garlic butter, simply mash the garlic confit with a fork. It should be very soft at this point, but you can also puree it if you prefer a smoother texture. Transfer the butter into a bowl. Add the mashed garlic confit, season with salt to taste, and mix everything together until well combined. And there you have it. Fresh homemade garlic butter, not store-bought. Perfect for steak, fish, chicken, vegetable stir-fries, garlic bread, toasted bread, baked potatoes, and so many other recipes. We've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and leave a comment below. Sharing our videos helps the channel grow and allows us to bring you more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate every one of you. Until next time, stay safe, keep cooking, and have a blessed day.